everyone, welcome to 3 Minutes Gastro. Today we'll be discussing about alcohol and what's the safe limits for use. First, to know this, we should know the definition of standard drink. Different countries have different definitions of standard drink, but the most widely accepted definition is 14 grams of ethanol is taken as standard drink. Keep in mind this is in grams. Except for the audit questionnaire which is given by the WHO, where the standard drink definition is 10 grams of alcohol. As we can see on the right side, various alcoholic beverages contain various percentages of alcohol. Beer contains about 5% of alcohol, wine contains about 12%, and other hard liquors such as vodka, gin, rum, tequila, brandy and whiskey contain about 40% of alcohol. This is given in terms of volume, that is 100 ml of vodka contain about 40 ml of ethanol, not in grams. So we have to convert this 40 ml in terms of standard drink, that is in grams. How do we get this? Is multiplying with its density, that is 0.78 or 0.8. So 40 ml of vodka contains about 32 grams of ethanol. This is obtained by the formula pure alcohol mass is volume into percentage of alcohol by volume into density. Thus we can get standard drinks of various alcohol beverages. It is 360 ml of beer or 150 ml of wine or 45 ml of brandy or any other hard liquor. Let's take an example. Here we have 100 ml whiskey. So how much is the grams or how much is the ethanol in it in terms of weight? That is 100 into, let's take 40%, 40% of volume into its density, that is 0.8. So we get around 32 grams of ethanol in 100 ml of whiskey. Another example, 180 ml into its volume 40 by 100 into density 0.8. So it comes to around 60 grams of whiskey. To make this calculation more easy, we can simply divide it by 3. 100 by 3 approximately 32 or 180 by 3 approximately 60. This applies only for the strong alcoholic beverages such as whiskey, vodka, rum. The risky use or hazardous use of alcohol is different for both men and women, because men under the age of 65 have higher detoxification capacity of the liver. The risky use is when 14 standard drinks per week is exceeded or 4 drinks on any single day. It is different for women as well as elderly because of low detoxification capacity of their liver. It's about 7 standard drinks per week on an average or 3 drinks on any single day. This is according to the National Institute of Alcohol Abuse or Alcoholism definition. Thanks for watching.